Today, we're focusing on building a rock-solid core and stabilizing your hips. This routine is all about creating strength and balance that will carry you through the rest of the day with ease. Fam, tell me something. Do your hips feel tight? Is your core feeling a little sluggish from sitting too much or not moving enough? Well, I've got an answer for you. This 5-minute routine is for anyone looking to wake up their lower body and stabilize their core. You don't need any fancy equipment, just a mat or a soft surface and a bit of space to move. This session is perfect for your living room, bedroom, or even outdoors to soak in some fresh air as you move. We're diving into a sequence of powerful stretches and dynamic movements. I promise by the end of this routine, you'll feel strong, stable, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Most people would hit snooze, but not you. You're here, showing up for yourself, and that's amazing. Let's hit the mat. Let's begin by waking up the core and balancing the body with bird dog. Come onto all fours with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Extend your right arm forward and your left leg back, creating one long line from fingertips to toes. Hold for a moment, then return to center. Switch sides. Left arm forward, right leg back, and repeat. This stretch activates your core, improves balance, and strengthens your lower back and hips. I promise by the end of this move, you'll feel more grounded and centered. Beginners, keep your movements small and focus on control. Advanced, hold each extension longer to deepen the activation. Let's take it to the floor and activate your glutes with glute bridges. Now it's time to power up the glutes, the engine of your lower body. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the mat, hip width apart. Press through your heels to lift your hips toward the sky. Squeeze your glutes at the top, then lower back down with control. Keep moving for 1 minute. This stretch strengthens your glutes, supports your lower back, and enhances overall hip stability. I promise you'll feel your lower body waking up and your posture improving. Beginners, don't lift too high. Focus on form. Advanced, hold at the top for a few seconds or add a single leg variation. Roll to your side, come up to kneeling, and prepare for low lunge twists. Let's unlock those hips and add some gentle spinal twists to release tension. Step your right foot forward into a lunge, keeping your left knee grounded. Place your left hand on the mat, and as you inhale, lift your right arm toward the ceiling, twisting through your torso. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. Left foot forward, right hand grounded, and twist with your left arm lifted. This stretch opens tight hips, strengthens the core, and improves spinal mobility. By the end, I promise you feel lighter and more mobile. Keep your back knee closer to the mat if you need more support. Advanced, lift your back knee for a deeper challenge. Come back to all fours and prepare for fire hydrants. Time to fire up those hips and glutes with fire hydrants. On all fours, lift your right knee out to the side, keeping it bent at a 90-degree angle. Lower back down with control and repeat for 30 seconds. Then switch to your left side for another 30 seconds. This stretch strengthens the glutes and stabilizes the hips, which are key for better posture and balance. By the end, I promise your lower body will feel stronger and more supported. Keep your movements small if you're a beginner. Advanced, add a circular motion at the top of each lift. Let's finish strong with frog squats to open up the hips. Our final move is all about hip mobility and grounding the body. Stand with your feet slightly wider than hip width apart. Squat down low, bringing your elbows to the insides of your knees, and press them outward gently. Rock side to deepen the stretch. Hold here for 1 minute, breathing deeply. This stretch opens tight hips, stretches the groin, and improves overall flexibility. I promise you'll feel looser, grounded, and more agile after this move. If squatting feels intense, sit on a low surface like a block or chair for support. Advanced, add a gentle bounce to deepen the stretch. Rise slowly, shake out the legs, and take a deep breath to close out this flow. Fantastic work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you strengthened your core, stabilized your hips, and energized your lower body. That's how you show up for yourself. I'm proud of you. Most people wouldn't make the effort, but you did. And that consistency is what builds real progress. You've already won the day just by showing up. Next time you see that notification bell go off, just press play and invite your friends to join the fam. Oh, and don't forget to grab your free gift in the description. It's a special surprise to help you level up your journey in the new year. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.